good evening to all. Myself Deepini, Unit Manager of Shin Shiva Ayurveda Ashram. I am here today with the big task of welcoming everyone to this special event on behalf of Shin Shiva Ayurveda Ashram. It's a truly an honor to have this chance. We are honored to have Mr. Kapil Rajput ji, the well-wisher, mentor and guru of our directors, and also Ms. Madhumita ji with us. Sajan Surya is a well-known public figure and a talented actor in films and serials. He is also a close friend of our former managing director, Shabrina sir, and a great supporter of Shin Shiva Ayurveda Ashram. Next, I would like to extend a warm welcome to Chandra Hassan sir, who is here on behalf of Kerala Travels. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the distinguished guests of Shin Shiva for taking the time to join us today. Your presence here not only honors us but also enriches the experience for engagement, which contributes significantly to the success of our gathering. Thank you once again for being here and for your continued commitment to our shared goals and values. To begin with, let us extend a heartfelt appreciation to Dr. Dilip Gopinathan and Dr. Shanti Franklin, the visionary driving forces behind Shin Shiva. Their unwavering dedication and commitment to the principles of Ayurveda has not only shaped the foundation of this esteemed institution, but have also inspired countless individuals on their journey towards holistic well-being. Once again, a warm welcome to all extend to all our distinguished guests whose presence here this evening adds together significance this gathering. We are grateful for incredible Shin Shiva team whose hard work and passion brings our mission to life, and we acknowledge their families for their unwavering support and encouragement. On this special occasion, I would like to take a moment to pay tribute to the founder of Shin Shiva Ayurveda Ashram, Dr. V. Franklin. His contribution to the field of Ayurveda has not only enriched the lives of many but have also established a legacy that continues to inspire future generations. Additionally, I would like to honor our former managing director, Mr. Shabrina. His leadership and strategic insight were instrumental in guiding Shin Shiva through various phases of growth and development. We are grateful for the foundation he helped to build. Anniversaries are the opportunities to recollect our year-gone memories and to cherish them again. Our healthy organization started with the incorporation of core human values such as trust, integrity, and teamwork. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being a part of this special day. Help us to making our 25th anniversary more memorable. Huge thanks to all.